The future of flight is on display, and we're getting a bird's eye view. Welcome back to NBAA TV, presented by Honeywell. Well, the biggest event in business aviation is about to take flight once again. It's a sky-high sight you just have to see. The world's most cutting-edge business aircraft coming together all in one place.
It is a giant puzzle. We refer to it as the world's largest jigsaw puzzle every year, trying to find out where all the new chalets are going to be and the aircraft fit in there, and actually still be able to walk around is quite a challenge.
The aircraft display allows potential buyers to see all these aircraft up close and in person. Also new to this year's aircraft display is the Owner Single Pilot Pavilion. Here, single pilot operators can connect with their peers and hear presentations from OEMs and suppliers designed specifically for this key part of the industry.
This year's layout's going to work really well. We've got the new Single Pilot and Owners Pavilion, where we're going to be focusing in on that segment. And if you really look at the layout closely, most of the exhibitors that have aircraft in that market segment are going to be centered around that pavilion.
Back here on the ground, you can get a chance to check out these planes and compare them side by side. Operations at Henderson get underway 9 a.m. on Tuesday through Thursday. For now, I'm Ed Highland, NBAA TV, sponsored by Honeywell.